Alex here with another review. This time we're looking at the 70mm M300 dashcam, which is probably the most affordable dashcam I have ever reviewed on this channel, but it does have several interesting features, including Wi-Fi, parking monitor, and more. On this video, I'm going to show you what you get inside of the kit, as well as driving video. That way you can decide if this is the right dashcam for you. And as always, I'd like to remind you that I place a link in the description down below to this dashcam in case you want to get one for yourself. And included in the kit is the dashcam as well as the power cord with a right angle micro USB connector and also the power adapter. And to install it, there is double-sided tape. I'm going to peel this back. I'm going to center this on the windshield and apply that. There it is. And the view angle is adjustable. This is how far it goes in this direction, and this is how far it goes in this direction. Once I find the position I like, I can lock it down. And if for some reason I wanted to dismount the dashcam, I could technically just turn this little thing until it comes right off. It's probably not the most elegant solution for removing it, but it does work. I'm gonna put this nut back on here, and then I'm gonna turn this, and the dashcam is mounted back on again. Also notice that the memory card bay is here and it supports up to 128 gigabytes of memory. And power comes in via the micro USB port with the right angle connector that they have included for a clean installation. There's also a button on the side. Tapping that button,
turning on Wi-Fi hotspot. Wi-Fi hotspot is on.
Can turn on the Wi-Fi, and tapping it again turns the Wi-Fi off.
Turning off Wi-Fi hotspot.
And the app is called 70My, and it is available for Apple and Android devices, and it connects to the dashcam via Wi-Fi and shows us a live view coming from it. We can also enlarge that view with this icon in case we wanted to see it on a bigger screen. There is also an icon that allows us to take a picture. The second icon, which is called Album, allows us to access the videos that are on the dashcam, and they have been divided into subfolders. The normal video folder contains video of us just potentially driving around, potentially nothing exciting happened there. Emergency video could contain videos of any car crash that was detected by the dashcam. Parking surveillance is for videos that happen during parking monitor. Then we have a time-lapse folder and a folder for the photos that we taken with the dashcam. But let's also take a look at playing back a video, which is going to stream from the dashcam to the phone. And we can also see it in a larger screen, again using that icon to maximize the view. And you could also choose to download the video to your phone for safekeeping or delete it with this icon. There is also a checkmark option that allows us to select multiple videos for downloading or to delete them. And now let's move over to the dashcam settings. Now the very first setting is going to be the G sensor. We are given the option of turning it off, having it on low sensitivity or high sensitivity, and the G sensor can potentially flag emergency videos, meaning a video where you potentially could have been involved in a car crash. The dashcam also supports parking surveillance, or what people call park mode, if it was hardwired. And if it was hardwired, we get the option of low sensitivity or high sensitivity for impact detection. There is also a secondary mode for parking monitor, and that is time-lapse photography, which again requires the hardwire kit. And as far as resolution, we can choose to run it at its maximum resolution of 2304 by 1296, or we can decrease the resolution to 1920 by 1080 in case we wanted to fit more on the memory card. We can further customize the dashcam by changing the Wi-Fi password, enabling whether we want the startup sound to come on or off, and also the speaker volume. And the last thing that I'll show you on here is the different languages that can be selected in case you wanted to switch it from the default one. But now let's take a look at some driving video, including the audio test. And this is an audio test of the 70My M300 dashcam, and I am sitting on the driver's side seat. And this is an audio test of the 70My M300 dashcam, and I am standing outside the driver's side door. And I think this dashcam is going to appeal to a lot of people who want a no-nonsense dashcam. Somebody who doesn't want to pay an arm and a leg for a dashcam. Somebody who wants something that just works. Because as you saw, it has a lot of simplicity in its design, and it's kind of almost like you set it and you forget about it. Now, I also think this dashcam is going to be a very good choice for anybody who's looking for a very complex or a potentially expensive dashcam. Your dashcam search may take many months. It could even take longer. Perhaps if you're waiting for a particular model to come out, you might be out of a dashcam for a long time. And what if during those 6 months or a year that you're waiting for that perfect dashcam, what if you get into an accident? So I really think it makes a lot of sense for you to have a basic dashcam at least recording in your vehicle while you look for one that is going to have all the bells and whistles. Because you don't end up paying a lot for this, it is quite affordable to buy this and then buy the second one, the final dashcam. Now, another recommendation that I normally do on this channel is running multiple dashcams for redundancy. In case one fails, you have another one that's working. So assuming that you have gotten this dashcam just to get you started recording while you look for your final dashcam, and now you got that perfect dashcam, you could potentially also now run 2 independent dashcam setups, again for redundancy, and the price point is still quite low because of how affordable this thing is. So remember, I place a link in the description down below to the M300 dashcam in case you want to get one. And if you guys have any other questions regarding this, also put them in the comments down below. If you found any part of this video helpful, make sure you hit the like button to support the channel, and stay tuned as I have a lot more dashcam reviews coming up. Thank you guys for watching, and as always, I'll see you on the next one.